there you go. That's our LA Mexican bacon wrapped hot dog. Hi everyone, welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. Today I'm doing one of my favorite hot dogs. I'm doing the LA Mexican street food hot dog. I'm doing it my way. Okay, we got a red onion. We want some sliced onion. Now you can slice it as thick or as thin as you like. Entirely up to you. Got a bowl, and we're just going to chuck that in there. Now you could use white onion, not a problem. Just any onion is fine. In there. Easy, easy. Jalapeno. Now I'm taking out the seeds and we are slicing. Seeds have got to come out. It's not for the heat, it's for getting stuck in my teeth. I don't want them. Nice little tap on there, they'll drop out. To be honest, after living in Asia, jalapeno is not a hot chili in any way. I want some thin slices to go in there with that. We want some bell pepper. I've got a red and a green. So in we come. So again, we want some slices. Now obviously the bell pepper is quite big. We're not going to use all that in there, but we're going to come across there and we're just going to slice it up. Okay, one of the special things that I love about this recipe, not only has it got all the veggies that I like, which are going to be fried, it's got the dog, okay, but the bacon wrapped, and that is what I like. It's a fantastic recipe. So we need to be wrapping our dog in bacon. Now obviously on a street vendor they've got one rasher of bacon all the way around, but when you're doing it at home, you know, you can really go to town if you wanted, and you could really wrap it. But you know, that's good enough. One side. I think you get the idea. We're not on a commercial business. We don't need to do too many. Now I've got smoky sausage and I've got smoky bacon. Yum. Yum, yum, yum. There's our dogs ready. We got our veg ready. Let's get on with it. Now we are using homemade hot dogs, and there is a link up here now, a video just before this one, to show you how to make hot dogs if you can't buy them. And we'll be using mayo, ketchup and American mustard. Let's get on and cook. Okay, because we're not using a flat grill, we're using a frying pan. We've got to cook this in stages. We're going to cook all this veg down first till it's very soft, got a bit of a char on, and we're going to chuck it to one side. We're going to put the bacon sausages in. We're going to char up our buns in there. Well, not char them up, but just let them have a bit of that bacon sausage fat. Loosen them up, chuck that back in there, and then we'll assemble. We want some oil in there so we can fry the veg. Now, vendors have got a big flat top grill. Works perfectly. All the juices and that are everywhere. They soak up the bread in the juices. We can't do that at home. We've only got a pan. So we can just do what we can. Oiling our veggies in there. We are going to start to soften that up and caramelize whatever we can. We will add some salt and some pepper, which will help to break that veg down. And some pepper. Let's have some pepper in there. A little bit of flavour. And sizzle, sizzle till it goes soft and caramelized. So jalapeños, green peppers, red peppers, onions. Fantastic. Oh, the smell is absolutely out of this world. I love onions, peppers cooking, and got the jalapeno in there. Fantastic. Oh, we're getting some colour on there, look. A little bit of caramelization, a little bit of browning. That is awesome. Keep going, a little bit more. Now, street vendors are not going to mix it all like this. The majority of street vendors will cook the onions to one side, cook the peppers to one side, and then they can just put on from a pile. But when you're cooking at home and you've got one pan like this, you know, does it really matter? Not really. It's all going on anyway, so just chuck it in. I must confess, I'm a street vendor holic. And I don't just mean the food. I love watching street vendors cook. They are unbelievable. So professional, working out on the street, and they're delivering a service which undoubtedly is required, you know. Okay, they're making a couple of bob for themselves, but overall, street vendors do a fantastic job. It's done. We're going to put it to one side, then we're going to put it back in. We want to start on with the sausage, our hot dog. So we're going to get that in there. Now, I don't really have a lid for this, but that will do. That goes on there. And then we are in with our sausage. Now what we're going to do is cook it, turning it round. In fact, let's do it that way, you can see better. Look at that. Beautiful dogs there, look. We got our veggies. All we got to do now is chuck our veggies back in there. We're going to give that warming back up in there with that bacon fat. Oh, come on. Look at that. Sausages on top of that veg. Give it a squash up. Bring some of that fat out. Hot dog roll. You can do it any which way you want. They normally just rub it round everywhere, you know. Soak up a little bit of that oil and that fat. They don't tend to go on the inside, and they're very quick as well, you know. Don't toast it for long. Now I'm just coming out, because we got a small pan, and we'll chuck it all in and just bring them out, and then we'll assemble. Oh, fantastic soap buns there. Okay, let's knock this off and let's assemble one. We'll assemble it like a street vendor, and then we'll knock a couple up for show. Now obviously we've not got the squirty bottles, so we're going to have to put it in as we go. Okay, we got some paper. We got our bun. Split the bun. Got our dog. Oh, look at that. Right, now, the thing is, because, I'll put that down a minute, because we don't have the squirty bottle, I'm just going to take some mayo and we're just going to come down the inside of there, like that. Just so we got the mayo on. The rest we can, oh, well, ketchup's in a bottle, but the mustard we can squirt on. Not a problem. Okay, so there we go. We got our sausage in there. Want to come in there, we want some veggies. Oh, come on, let's get it all on. Pack it in. Absolutely stuff it in there. Now these are homemade hot dog rolls, you know, and big sausages actually. Now here's an optional extra, pico de gallo. Get that on there. Now a little bit of ketchup. It'll not come out right well with the finger over, but anyway, there you go. Yellow mustard. Look at that. That is truly fantastic. Oh, there's a mess there. I'm going to get covered in that. So there you go, there's one made. Let's dress the others up. We're going to have to do the same with the mayo because we don't have a squeezy bottle. Fantastic. Well, all there's left to do is get covered in this monstrosity. Are we ready? I've got a bib. Oh, in here. Wow, look at all the veggies on there. That is absolutely superb. We got all our veggies, tomato, we got pico de gallo, we got all our peppers and jalapeno, we got our bacon hot dog there, and our sauces. What a mess. That is absolutely delicious. First class. First class. And I've not got it down here yet. I'm sure I will in about another 2 minutes. There you go. That's our LA Mexican bacon wrapped hot dog. If you like what we're doing, don't forget, smash that like and subscribe. Share with your friends, all that kind of stuff. Ring the bell. Notifications for every time we upload. Till next time.